Okay, hello everyone that's watching this video. This is my first ever video on this channel to formally start my journey to content creation world. I want to put almost three segments about this video. Well, in general, this is just me introducing myself to content creation world, and I want to introduce myself to a new goal. Okay, so first segment is who I am. Because you may not know me. Why you click this video, I don't know. You don't know me, I don't know you. But I'm willing to know all of you who's watching this video. So, let me formally introduce myself. I am John Mark Esulian, who will be known as Maki, and 17 years of age, and I currently live on the Philippines. Yes, I am pure-blooded Filipino, and uh, through this journey, I hope to see myself succeeding this specific goal of mine. And to add to who I am, I love playing, I love watching videos, I love, oh sorry about that, I love playing, reading, studying, just a typical guy that loves almost everything as long as he enjoys it. Let's put on like a next segment to this video because like that's just who I am currently. Rather, before I end this segment of introducing myself, I am an only child, and I live on the Philippines. That's currently in a predicament that I do not want to state out because okay, I want to do this channel, or rather to do this video, to introduce myself to the content creation. That's about it. And to the next segment, I want to tell you all about why I started this video, or rather this content creation journey. So I have this specific goal in mind. Um, it's quite a journey. It's 255 days of content creation. I want to see myself if I could succeed this. Oh my god. If I could succeed this. Uh, Also, I want to see myself achieving the dreams that I can achieve, that I could never thought I could achieve. Like this. This has been my childhood dream. Like literally, I bet almost every one of you who has this dream also was in a position that you wanted to start this dream but you just can't. You just can't put yourself in front of the camera. You're just talking to a camera. Literally, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Literally, camera. Yeah. Uh, well, I'm willing to put that risk into a chance. I'm willing to put my image on it, on this risk that I'm risking. Okay. uh, uh, I want to do this for myself, for my college, for my upcoming college rather. Because I'm grade 12, I'm 17 years old. I'm turning 18 on December 20, 2025. Um, I wanna achieve something for my life, this life of mine, because I feel like I just jumped from the first segment. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's jump from the first segment. I'm not finished. I'm talking about myself. So, throughout my life, I thought we're just talking through this video, okay? This is nothing. This is no, like, wala tong gagawin muna siguro. I just want to introduce myself. Okay. So, throughout this channel, siguro dito segment 1 and segment 2 would probably interact with each other, correlate with each other on why I did this and why am I here. Who I am. Okay. So, uh, I grew up in a family that's full. I mean, in the Philippines, uh, financial problems are one of the main factors of life. Money is something here. Uh, my life as a kid here, I started growing up watching all of those YouTubers just succeed, and I'm like, oh, I wish I could do that. I wish I could be like them. And throughout my life, up until today, siguro, before this day, I was like, in my past, it has been really difficult. And for my family as well. And, naisipan ko, gusto kong gumawa ng content. Gusto kong sumikat at makita yung buhay ko. Makilala yung buhay na naninirahan sa Pilipinas. Or, paano ko kayo ma-motivate na tumayo para sa sarili nyo rin, katulad ko. Kasi nakita ko ang mga magulang ko na umiiyak. Nakita ko, yun yung mga naging rason ko para maghanap ng solusyon sa mga problema namin. And one of these reasons, or rather one of the factors that I came up with is content creation. And we have a wide internet. And hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga makapanood na ito, hindi ko alam kung sino yung makakita ng video na to. Pero gusto ko lang talagang tumayo para sa pamilya ko, para sa mga mahal ko sa buhay, para sa sarili ko. Kasi through all of my life, I have been dependent on my parents ever since then. And gusto ko sanang humanap ng paraan na hindi ko na kailangan magdumepende sa kanila. And I want to be a child na magiging proud sila sa akin. And gusto ko sa paraan na makakatulong ako sa kanila. And this is one of the ways that I found. Cause, yeah. What else? Besides that, I also want to support myself from my college to achieving my dreams. So, you're gonna be with me for a long time. Gusto kong makilala ko kayo, makamit ko yung pangarap ko kasama kayo. And gusto kong makita nyo, makilala nyo yung mga tao sa buhay ko. And considering that, I want to be someone na 17 years old, sana gusto kong maging taong makakapag-motivate para sa inyo, para sa mga kabataan na susunod, para sa mga matatanda. Gusto kong maging simbolo ng hindi what do you call that? What's the word for that? What's the term for that? Hindi bumigay sa buhay. Kasi sa totoo lang, matanda ka man, tumanda ka man, or bata ka pa man, maraming chance na agad na nabigay sa'yo. At gusto, ito yung one of the plenty of chances that you may take. And this, I believe this is one of the chances that I saw that was best with me. Because this was one of the things that I loved to watch. And I want to see myself like literally being watched. So makita yung sarili ko na pinapanood din. Gusto kong maging simbolo ng pagiging pagtayo nyo, pagsikap ninyo, kasi gusto nyo makamit yung mga buhay nyo. Kasi hindi pa huli ang lahat, hindi pa nag-i-start yung buhay mo, dito pa lang. Gusto kong maranasan mo, gusto kong makita mo na tatayo ka, kaya mo yan. And, well, this video is not just about motivational things, but yeah, this is just me. It's just me introducing myself. But, eto ako, di ako, proud ako sabihin, pero, gusto kong umunlad, lalo na sa Pilipinas na ngayon. Gusto kong makita kayo sa pagunlad ko. At, through this journey, sana gabayan nyo ako. Gabayan nyo rin ako. Kasi di rin ako masyadong mala social medias. Like, I'm not good at editing. I'm not good at anything. Almost anything. But, this is one of the things that I saw. Because, I wanna shout out to Cory Kenshin, Kong TV, Sergey Ben. All of those YouTubers out there that's making a change in the world of entertainment. Kong TV, si Boss Kong, grabe. Sobra akong na-inspire sa kanya kasi magmula bata ako pinapanood ko siya. Ah, simula nun, parang encourage ko yung mga tao that surrounds me. Na-encourage ko yung mga kaibigan ko, pinsan ko, pamangkin ko, panoorin si Kong kasi sabi ko, panoorin nyo to, nakaka-inspire at nakakatawang content creator. At nanood sila and I'm glad that they enjoyed it as well. Like, I was with them watching the TV with them, laughing throughout his videos because it was very entertaining. And the latest videos, I wanna chika about the latest videos. It made us all cry. Like my mom cried. Ah, gusto ko rin sana yung ano. Siyempre, hindi ako masiguro masamang mangarap. Kasi ito, nangangarap nga ako ngayon. Gusto ko silang makita sa totoong buhay. Gusto ko silang makamit. Sila Kong TV, sila Sir Kong. I'm one of the greatest fans of them. Cory Kenshin, gusto ko rin I want to meet Cory Kenshin too because Cory Kenshin once said, as long as you have the needs to start content creation, no matter what gadget you have, no matter how bad it is, how bad they think it is, as long as you can start content creation, you can do it. And I believe that's one of the reasons why I started content creation. It's shout out to him, like literally. I watched his videos recently, like super dami, lahat, almost all of it. I watched them all, and it was very entertaining. No matter how long it is, like 1 hour long, for 40 minutes long. I am very entertained. I'm glad to see someone like that keeps up the vibe going up until 1 hour. I can't do that. I feel like I can do that. Hindi ko kaya yun. Like, yan. So, ayun sila, ano pa ba? Sila Sir Gaben, I watched your videos ever since you started on Facebook. Pinanood kita and gusto kong maging katulad mo na sumakses sa buhay. At syempre, hindi naman tapos kapag nag-success ka na, hindi pa tapos doon ang lahat kasi ikaw ang nagturo sa akin na as long as you can live on, meron ka pang gustong matutunan, hindi pa tapos ang lahat. Gusto kong maging katulad niya. I want to be like them, but also in my own way. Sana sa 255 days challenge ko up until July 22, 2026, makamit ko ang goals ko, my plans for this content creation. Yun, nasama ko na yung segment na first and second, kung bakit nandito ako, bakit gusto kong mag-content creation, sino ako. I'm a small content creation. I'm literally small. I'm starting at zero. Literally zero. So, ayun. What else? Ito, last segment siguro to, for now. Gusto kong pag-usapan kung ano yung makikita nyong content para sa akin. Gusto ko rin sana na matulungan nyo ako kung anong pa mang gusto nyong content na makita dito. I wanna know all of the contents that you guys want to see in this channel. Gusto kong makakita ng suggestions siguro. Ayun. Pero I expect like doing content creation about gaming because one of those things are my hobbies. Gaming, vlogging, because I want to vlog also my life. I want you all to also meet my family, my friends, my loved ones. Gusto kong makamit nyo na, uy, ganda na ng buhay nito, ganun. Kala mo talaga. Anyway. Anyway. This is me, John Mark Asulyan, and will be known as Maki throughout my journey. Gusto kong i-inspire kayo na kaya nyo. Kaya yan. Katulad ko. Eto na yung simula ko. And I'm kinda nervous. Kinakabahan ako kasi alam kong sa mukha ng camera ko, iisa lang ako. Pero, the internet is wide. And many of you might see this. And, yeah. Ayun. See you guys soon. Makikita ko kayo sa next videos ko. Siguro, makikilala ko kayo guys. I'm willing. I'm willing to know almost all of you here in this channel. So, gusto ko rin kasi tumulong, 'di ba? Hindi naman sa gusto kong tulungan sarili ko, pamilya ko, mga mahal ko sa buhay. Gusto ko rin tumulong. Gusto kong mapakita sa mga kapwa ko na kaya din nila. And I want to be, like I said, I want to become a symbol of hope. Maybe hope to all of the people out there that's losing hope na hindi nila kaya, gusto nilang tumayo pero hindi nila kaya. Gusto kong ipalimain sa inyo na hindi pa huli ng lahat. Matanda ka man, bata ka man, magi-start pa lang ang buhay mo kung kailan mo gusto. Make a way. Kaya mong gagawan mo ng paraan yan kasi gusto mo. Ako rin yun eh. Ako rin. Kasi may pangarap ako sa buhay na gusto kong makamit na akala ko sana ma-achieve ko. Ito yung tanging paraan na naisip ko paano i-achieve yung pangarap na yun. Sa mga expectations sa akin dito, siguro ang vlogging lang, ang content creation lang sa YouTube, like regular playing games or watching videos, reaction videos, yun. I just wanna have fun. Gusto ko lang magsaya. Kasama kayo. Gusto ko makita nyo kung paano ako nag-study, paano ako naglalaro, paano ako makisama sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga loved ones ko, sa parents ko. Gusto kong matulungan nyo kami. Gusto ko rin matulungan kayo. In return. Kasi kayo to. The internet is wild. Kapag kayo ang magbibigay sa akin ng halaga. Actually, I know my worth. Personally. Okay. I know my worth. But, through the content creation, I am literally zero. Kayo ang magbibigay buhay para sa akin. Kayo ang magbibigay buhay, paano ko i-continue to, paano mga ideas ang kukunin ko. Sa inyo kukunin yun. I want us to succeed in this life, together, with all of you. So, sa lahat ng mga nanonood nito, sana tumayo na kayo. Kaya yan! Ako dito na ako nakaupo. With one armchair, and nothing. It's an office chair. It's literally nothing. And as you can see, it's like our house isn't done here in the Philippines. And yeah. Yun. Sana makilala ko kayo. And sana mag-enjoy kayo sa mga content na darating. And I hope that you enjoy, guys. What else? Gusto ko kayo matulungan. Yun lang. Yun talaga gusto kong purpose ko dito. Gusto ko kayong matulungan ko sarili ko, matulungan ko yung pamilya ko. Gusto kong ma-develop yung personality ko throughout this journey. Gusto kong makilala ko yung sarili ko eh. Kasi ito yung parang tanging paraan ko. Para makausap ko rin yung sarili ko. Parang kausap ko rin yung sarili ko eh. Kapag kausap ko kayo, ang daldal ko. That's all for today. And I hope to see all of you tomorrow. I'm talking to you right there. Yeah, you laying down. Why are you eating? Okay. We'll see you. See you all next time. Goodbye.